This is a video just to show you the easy way to access the high pressure fuel pump belt and tensioner if you want to change them. This is on an S-type Jaguar. So first of all, you remove the wiper arms, which one is there and the other one is there. 13mm bolts and nuts, just take them off. Work, you might need a puller, but you can generally just work the backwards and forwards and the wiper arms will pop off. Then you take these clips, you've got 8 clips here which fit in these round holes. 8 clips, you take those out, you've got a little centre pin in it, you just push it down about 1/8 of an inch and then pull the clip out. Very easy to do. And at the back here, I'll show you with a bit of light, you have these oblong covers, little plastic covers. You have 7 of those across the back of it, which are there, and there, and just go across the 7. Then you've got 7 little torque screws underneath those plastic covers. You undo the torque screws, and then this cover also, you take off your washer pipe from there, then the cover's ready to come out, and you literally just pull it out and take it off. Put that down the side. Then you've got your engine compartment brace, which you've got 2 bolts here and 2 bolts on the other side. You take those 4 bolts out and you take your engine compartment brace off. Now the engine is already out on this car, but this is how you do it with the engine in. So once you've got the brace off, you've got to take your cabin filter out, which is here. You've got 3 10mm nuts, 1 on that side and 2 on this side. You take those 3 nuts off and then you pull your cabin filter out. It's that easy. That's a cabin filter housing. So you take that out, put it aside. Then you've got this panel here. You've also got 3 10mm bolts here. You've got 1 here, 1 up here and 1 here. You take those 3 bolts, nuts off, and then you pull that panel out. And once that panel is out, you can access the back of your engine, which is very, very easy to get at now. You can see the bell housing there. So if you want to undo your bell housing bolts, if you've taken the engine out and you wanted to undo the top ones easily, you could get at it from here. You could also get at your catalytic converter bolts from here as well, the top catalytic converter bolts, which are easy to get at. But your actual high pressure fuel pump is here. The actual cover for the belt fits here. So you can get your hand right down the back, here to the high pressure fuel pump belt. Take off the cover, 2 clips, take it off. I've shown that in another video. Take it off, take your belt off, remove your tensioner. It's not timed, so then you can put your tensioner on, put your belt back on. Either way, you can put the tensioner on first or the tensioner on after you've fitted the belt. Put it all back on, torque the tensioner up, put your plate back on, your actual cover, and then put these bits back on, which will be very, very quick. It won't take you a long time at all. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more content.